So, as part of this presentation, hopefully you're convinced, how the M-class CPU is to be understood. And we obviously didn't dive into all the details because it's just impossible to do so in like an hour. But what I want to do is invite you over to a course that we are kind of constructing right now. It's in the making at the moment, and we'll release it shortly in a few weeks. But that course will kind of teach you all the things that you need to be able to program this M-class CPU, boot it up, program a GPIO as an output and blink an LED, then program a GPIO to, kind of take in a button press. And not only this, but program an interrupt using the system timer and also print hello world on the UART all from scratch. No standard library used. Every bit of the code would be written by you, written by us. And something of this nature is a key skill to have on embedded systems team. And there is an event called Bring Up, wherein the chips manufactured from the fabs would be brought into the company, and there has to be like a team of people who boot up the CPU, check if everything is working correctly or not, and the knowledge of how the CPU boots up and how to control the GPIOs comes in really, really handy. So hopefully, you will enjoy that course too, and through that, allow us to serve you and make you capable and a useful teammate on an embedded systems team. So with this, I look forward to seeing you in that course. Thank you.